Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 251. Which tense describes a future action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future? A. Tomorrow at 5 p.m., I will meet him. B. Tomorrow at 5 p.m., I will be meeting him. C. Tomorrow at 5 p.m., I meet him. D. Tomorrow at 5 p.m., I am meeting him. Correct answer, tomorrow at 5 p.m., I will be meeting him. Future continuous tense. Question number 252. Which tense describes an action that was completed before another past action, emphasizing the order of events? A. He missed the bus because he woke up late. B. He missed the bus because he had woken up late. C. He misses the bus because he wakes up late. D. He is missing the bus because he is waking up late. Correct answer, he missed the bus because he had woken up late. Past perfect tense. Question number 253. Which tense indicates a future action that will be completed by a specific future time or event, focusing on the result? A. By the time they arrive, we prepare dinner. B. By the time they arrive, we will prepare dinner. C. By the time they arrive, we will have prepared dinner. D. By the time they arrive, we are preparing dinner. Correct answer, by the time they arrive, we will have prepared dinner. Future perfect tense. Question number 254. Which tense emphasizes the duration of an action that started in the past and is still continuing up to the present? A. She teaches English for 3 years. B. She has taught English for 3 years. C. She has been teaching English for 3 years. D. She is teaching English for 3 years. Correct answer, she has been teaching English for 3 years. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 255. Which tense describes a prolonged past action that explains a past consequence or state? A. He failed the exam because he did not study. B. He failed the exam because he had not been studying. C. He fails the exam because he does not study. D. He will fail the exam because he will not study. Correct answer, he failed the exam because he had not been studying. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 256. Which tense expresses a general fact or something that happens repeatedly? A. Dogs bark. B. Dogs are barking. C. Dogs barked. D. Dogs will bark. Correct answer, dogs bark. Simple present tense. Question number 257. Which tense describes a temporary action that is in progress now? A. I live in Paris. B. I am living in Paris for a few months. C. I lived in Paris. D. I will live in Paris. Correct answer, I am living in Paris for a few months. Present continuous tense. Question number 258. Which tense describes a completed action in the past, specifying the time it occurred? A. We watched a movie last night. B. We watch a movie every night. C. We are watching a movie. D. We have watched a movie. Correct answer, we watched a movie last night. Simple past tense. Question number 259. Which tense is used for predictions about the future based on strong evidence or definite plans? A. He is going to be a great artist. He shows great talent now. B. He will be a great artist. C. He becomes a great artist. D. He became a great artist. Correct answer, he is going to be a great artist. Be going to future. Question number 260. Which tense is used for actions that started in the past and continue up to the present? A. I finished my lunch. My plate is empty now. B. I finished my lunch an hour ago. C. I am finishing my lunch. D. I will finish my lunch. Correct answer, I finished my lunch. Present perfect tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.